right, everybody. Hi. Hello. Hi. Crystal here. Hi. Isabel here. Oh, Isabella. Okay, I'll write your name. G5 class. Crystal here. Then Isabella here. Okay, wait. Then another student would come here to join us too. Just wait a minute. Then, right, till we are waiting the other people, would you get RT pencil eraser and your writing notebook, please? Okay, do you understand? These are things we need right now. Okay, Sanjay, hi. Hello. Sanjay, hello. Okay. Hi, Sanjay. Hi. Okay, so now we have 3 students. Get your RT book. Get your RT pencil, eraser, and notebook, okay? Okay, did you get the book, everybody? Okay, hold on, wait. Okay, where is Jino? Where are everybody? Where are other people? Jin Hong. Okay, wait everybody. Just wait few minutes, okay? Then start. 2 minutes. Okay, Jinong is here? Alright. Alright, wait. And everybody, then tell me what, okay, tell me, alright, about your this week, okay? Tell me about this week. Right? Everybody write about me. Tell me about this week. What's going on around you? Can you write the short sentence writing? Alright? What happened? How, okay, what's going on around you? What is going on around you? What is going on around you? Can you answer? Okay. Tell me about your, this week. There's literally nothing. Oh, that's so sad. Come on. What else is happening? Then what about others? Sanjay, homework is going on around me. Okay. Do you have many homework, Sanjay? What about Crystal and Isabella? Tell me about your this week. Tell me about your this week. Tell me about your this week now. Tell me about your this week. Isabella said, I got my own iPad, so my little brother isn't very happy about it. Ooh, wow. Wow. Is it a brand new one? Is it a brand new one? Oh, Crystal said just stay at home. Jinong said e-learning, e-learning, e-learning every day. Yeah. E-teaching, e-teaching, e-teaching every day to me too. All right, everybody. Now let's see your. Okay. Now everybody get your RT book. Okay, RT book, please. RT book. Okay, we will talk about some graphic organizer and do writing work here. Okay, hold on. All right, say hi. Hi guys, hello. Hi. Okay, so coronavirus changes so many things around us, right? Every day same, right? So boring life, and I want you teach, right? But, right, I cannot meet you yet. That's why I meet you online, okay? So everybody, take a look this. Yeah, Sanjay, what? What happened? So because of the coronavirus, we are suffering so much, okay? There is a nothing can make sure every week. Every week is change, right? Kind of like news is telling the news story about the coronavirus. So I hate that too. Do you understand? So guys, all right, now get ready, then get RT book page, all right, 54, right, 54 right now. Okay, RT book page 54. Oh, Isabella, it's 6 years ago. Brand is not brand new. Okay, but anyway, you got your own iPad, so that's good. Even I don't have the iPad yet. I don't have the iPad, right? So that's okay. Ready, everybody? All right, are you ready? Are you ready? Did you get the page? Article page 54? Yes, okay. Jinong is here too. Okay, 4 people are here, then 5 people are watching, okay? All right, ready, okay. So graphic organizer, here we go. Oops, okay. All right, types of graphic organizer, okay? The graphic organizer, using the graphic organizers is so much helpful to understand the, structure of the reading and or article. So number 1, okay, we can use sequence chart, okay? We can use the sequence chart to, tell the things that happen in order, like, historical things, right? Historical event. Oh, Isabella, yeah, Sophia, Harry, they went to Math Academy. They went to Math Academy today, so they said they will, review again this YouTube channel stuff. Okay, ready? The sequence chart. So sequence chart, okay, can organize the ideas, kind of like historical event, okay? Everybody say, write it down. Historical. Okay, kind of like historical event that is using the chronological orders. If there is a sequence, okay? Time, okay? Kind of like time order. Okay, if you have any like time order or historical event or procedure, then we can use the sequence chart, okay? So if you have a 1, 2, 3, 4, all right? Then we can say first event, next event, or last event, like this. Gina, what do you mean, which one? Mean student? 2 girls went to Math Academy today. 2 students went to Math Academy. All right, next one, okay, cause and effect, all right? We use the cause and effect diagram to figure out, right, the relationship of the cause and effect. But point is, all right, there are many different types of a cause and effect here. So sometimes type 1, okay, one cause can make one effect, okay? Then type 2 cause, I don't know. I don't know the name. I don't know the names, but I know they went to Math Academy, okay? Anyway, hey, focus. Focus on the chart. Hey, focus on the chart, okay? Here, anyway. So now, cause and effect type 1. One cause make one effect. Type 2, two causes make one effect. And type 3, one cause make two effects. Understand? There are different types of cause and effect relationship, okay? So label the number of the type 1, 2, 3 of the, cause and effect relationship. And number 4, okay, number 4 is sometimes, right, we get the, main idea later. Like we tell the detail 1, detail 2, and detail 3. We tell all the detail first and then get the main idea, okay? This is the number 4 and number 5, okay? When do we use the Venn diagram? We learned it last time, right? Do you remember the compare and contrast, right? So comparison contrast. Comparison and contrast, we use Venn diagram. Understand? That is the type 5. And type 6, okay, we use web, okay? Right, when do we use the web? When do you use the web? And what do you use the web for? What do you use the web for? How can we use the web? We use the web many times, but for what? Can you answer? Can you give me any example that, case we can use the web? Hey, tell me the, kind of cases that we can use the web. For dividing details? Oh, okay, good. For dividing details. And what else? Tell me the cases that you can use the web. Oh, Sanjay, when we brainstorm, that's right. What about girls? Right? Is there any, cases that we can use the web? For dividing details, right? And for when we brainstorming, Isabella said, when we explain something that are more than 2 or like showing method, okay. Then maybe when we, describe, right? When you describe, right? When you describe by using 5 senses, we use the web too. Do you understand? Good. Okay, you can write it down that 4 cases. Number 1, we use the web, right? Number 1, we use the web for divide the ideas. Okay, divide ideas or detail. And 2, then we can use web for brainstorming. Okay, brainstorming. And number 3, okay, we can write it down. Then we can explain something that have more than 2 ideas. When we have many detail, all right? That means kind of brainstorming too, many details. Then when we describe, okay, When we describe, we use the verb. Understand? Describe. Okay? So right, this one for map. Oh, this one for web. Okay. Then we are going to take a look RT book page 57. 57, okay? If you finish this writing, go get 57 too, okay? RT book page 66. RT book page 57. Okay, did you get the RT book page 57? Okay, Jinong said, wait. Okay, I am waiting. G5 class. Didn't we have any homework? Hey, did you do the homework? Research about two similar things and animals. Do you remember? So did you do two homeworks of mine? Okay. But did you do two homeworks of mine? One. LAT book page 81. Okay. Oh, I'm sorry. Here. I'll check this homework. Oh, Sanjay said yes. Okay, then we are going to have the, writing work comparison and contrast as like last time. Do you understand? Okay, done everybody? Are you done? Then are you done then? Are you done page 54? What do you mean? 63, Sanjay. What do you mean? What do you mean 63? What do you mean 63? Okay, done? Sanjay. Alright, and everybody now let's see 57 then. Okay? Page 57. Alright. Now page 57 is talking about your vocabulary strategy, okay? Using word apart, okay? So root, alright? A root is the basic part of the word that gives the words meaning. So a root needs another word apart such as prefix, suffix, another root to form a whole new word, okay? I have 1, right? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, wait. 1, 2. Okay, 1. Oh, whatever. Doesn't matter, okay? It's okay. It's not important. You can label the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. Or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's not important, you know? Doesn't matter. It doesn't matter, understand? It doesn't matter, okay? It doesn't matter. It's okay. It doesn't matter. Do you understand? Then vocabulary strategy. Okay, we have a root, the basic part of the word that has meaning. It has a prefix, right? Suffix, and another root to make a what? Compound word. Sometimes we use two roots to make compound words. Okay, write it down. Okay, that's too thick. All right. Okay, we use the two roots to make the compound words too. Compound words sometime, understand? So, a root word is a root that can stand alone as a word, okay? So root can be the one vocabulary, do you understand? But prefix is a word part is added to the beginning of the root, all right? Or not in a root word, so they are coming before the root. And suffix is the word part that is added to the end of the root or root word, okay? So, common prefixes and suffixes and their meaning here. Okay, prefix, de, okay? So if we have de at the, as a prefix, it has a meaning opposite or down, okay? Kind of like, can you give me any example of the de, the words that have de, okay? Give me example. Give me any example of words, okay, that have prefix D, understand? Give me example of the words that have despite, okay, and definitely, but okay. But you have to take a look that DE is a, okay, that means that I need a word that has DE as a, prefix. I mean prefix. I mean the prefix DE. Desperate, dependent. Okay, everybody, give me the more exact example, all right? I need an example DE has the meaning opposite or down, okay? What about opposite meaning? D has the opposite meaning. Opposite meaning. D has the opposite meaning, kind of like depress, decompress, Deconstruction. Deconstruction, okay? Deconstruction mean opposite of construction. Do you understand? Okay, opposite of construction. Do you understand? Then depress has the meaning of the down. Okay, debug, good, debug, good job, good, okay. So debug has the meaning of, right, opposite of bug, good. Gino, good. Debug is the good example too. Excellent. And now next, here is the prefix this here. Dedicated. Okay, but dedicated, that D is really the prefix. Okay, you need to double check it. Okay, everybody. Then here is the prefix this. This has meaning not. Give me example. Example. Okay. So which word has the meaning of the example not? Easy. That's very easy. What is it? Kind of. Disagree. Disagree or dislike. Any words? Hey, everybody, give me the different words that have a this has meaning of the not. Dislike, disagree, and what else? Oh, good, Sanjay. Disable, good. Disable. Do we have, wait a minute. Isn't it unable? Yeah, we do have disable too. Okay, disable too. And anybody else? This what? This. This. What else has this? This. This. Disaccord. Oh, disaccord. Really? And disaccord or disadvantage. Disadvantage. Disaccord and disadvantage. Okay. What else has this? Oh, good, Isabella. Disorder. Good job. Disorder. Good. Good. Good, Isabella. Disregard. Good job. Very good. Kind of like that. And next one. The prefix re has the meaning of the back or again. So can you give me an example of the words that have re? What about re? What about re? Example. Okay, prefix re example. Okay, Gino got it. Disrespect. Okay. Gino, what? Hey, what? Why? Okay, Isabella said replay. And re is easy. Reread. Okay, easy. Repair, right? What do you mean? Regain. And rerun. Okay. And recycle. Okay, easy. That's right. It's a piece of cake, right? That's very easy. Then now let's move on. On is easy too. On has the meaning of not to. Understand? Okay. So now we have the suffixes able, able, and ible. Suffix able and ible has meaning of able to be. Okay. Then suffixes ful, full, mean full of. All right. We do. And suffixes ly has a meaning of in a specific way, in a something way, okay? Then ness, suffix ness, make the words into the noun because it has a meaning of a state or quality of being, okay? So here, disagree, make disagree, and refill, refill, feel again, and truthful mean full of truth, okay? Then happy, ly, happily mean in a happy way. Do you understand? Okay, good. Now let's review this one. 59, okay? 59. 59, here we go, 59. Get page, write RT book page 59. Then RT book page 59, please. Okay, did you find the page? Alright, 59. 59 here. Okay, 59. Alright, we do have the same chart as like previous page, but we do have one different chart here, this one. Okay, there is another type of cause and effect. Alright, look at the chain of the cause and effect here. Okay, one cause make the cause and effect here in the middle, then another effect, okay? Cause and effect make another effect. You can say that, right? Cause or effects, that means cause, effect, or cause, effect can be possible. Do you understand? So this is the chart, right? Actually, type 4 of the cause and effect here. Do you understand? Then, did you do this page 60 with Declan? Did you do the page 16 with Declan last time? Did you do the page 60 with Declan last time? Okay. Everybody tell me the answer. Did you do it? Did you do the page 60 before? Crystal said yes, but Jinong said no. Isabella said yes. What about Sanjay? Can you answer me, please? Sanjay, please. Okay, Sanjay didn't. Okay. I know two girls, you already know the answer, but let's, figure out the cause and effect together here right now. Okay. Use graphic organizer. Understand? So we have the cause and effect, right, relationship here. So we are going to read and figure it out what happened, right? Here. All right. The first paragraph. Are you ready? Okay. The first page. First paragraph said the water that covers the earth is constantly moving and changing. Then constantly mean always, okay? That mean, right? Always. Okay, the water that covers the earth is constantly moving and changing. Water from the ocean evaporates into clouds, which then rain over the land. When rainwater collects into lakes and rivers, it runs downhill and eventually empties into the ocean. As the water passes over rocks, it picks up small amounts of the salt and other minerals. When the water eventually flows into the ocean, the salt and minerals enter the ocean and become more concentrated over time. Because of these cycles, the water in the ocean is too salty for humans to drink. Okay, so the first paragraph has the cause, and effect here. Okay, so what is the first cause? First cause is the water from the ocean, right, evaporates into rain cloud. This is the first cause. Here. Then what's next happen? Then rain falls on land, okay? Rain falls on the land and collects, okay, this one. Rain over the land, okay? Then collects into lakes and river. This is kind of rain falls on the land, okay? This is the effect. This is the effect, all right? And this effect makes, right, another cause, collects into its lake and river, okay? If the rain on the land, they flow, right, collect into lakes and river, understand? Then what is the last effect that happened? Rivers run downhill into the ocean. This one. Into the ocean. Do you understand? All right. So while we are figuring out this one, we use the clue words then and when here. When here, okay? And then here, right? Circle then and when. So then is telling the effect, okay? Then when is telling the cause. So its structure is cause, effect relationship here. Do you understand? Cause, effect, cause, effect. Do you understand? Then second paragraph, all right? What clue words did you find here? Then what cause and what effect, cause, effect here. Then you have to find cause and effect relationship and fill in the chart, okay? That is the page 60, okay? So everybody finish this chart. Finish the chart. What? Did you find the cause and effect, Genome? Did you find the cause and effect here? Okay, Sanjay said I did all. Okay, the paragraph start here. S here, you know. This is the first paragraph. This is the second paragraph. What are you talking about? There is an indentation here, so we can find the second paragraph. As the water passes over rocks, it picks up small amounts of the salt and other minerals. When the water eventually here, this is the second paragraph. Okay. It's here. It's here. This is the second paragraph where it starts here. I put the arrow. I put the arrow to show it where it is. Can you find it? Okay, then did you do it? So here, second paragraph, everybody. Then what is the first cause? So what is the first cause at the second paragraph? What is the first cause in the second paragraph? The first cause in the second paragraph is this one. The water passes over rocks, picks some small amount of salt and other minerals, right? Okay, that is the cause here. Then when you, right, found the cause, what is the clue words for you? What clue words? What clue word did you get? At the cause, understand? What clue words did you get? What clue words did you get here to find the cause? Who can answer? What clue word did you get here? Please. None. Beep. None? Really? Maybe we can use as. Okay, we use as here. As. Then. Okay, then what is the next box here? The next box. Water, okay. What is the next box? Water with the salt and mineral flows into the ocean, right? This one, right? Water eventually flow into the ocean with the salt and mineral enter the ocean too, okay? This should be in here, understand? Alright, so when you are, figuring out this cause and effect, we get what clue words here? When, understand? When, okay? Then, what is the last effect here? What's this last effect? This effect is, what is it? Water in ocean is too salty to drink. This one, the water in the ocean is too salty for humans to drink, should be here. Understand? So when you get this effect, right? What clue words did you use here? We use when and we use what? Because of, understand? So when and because of, okay, you can write when, you can use because of here. Do you understand? So this is how we found the cause and effect relationship here. Okay, we will have break then. Okay, come back here. Break time. Break time, please. Okay, we will come back at 5:05. 5:05. Understand? Oh gosh. How was it? So I will give them the homework. Okay, I cannot make sure how much article gets done. So I review some, I review some cause and effect stuff. But some students said they take, some don't. So I'm confused. So can you just help this few pages of this? Printable one here. I made a copy so to teach them this one and how we can get the vocabulary. Then I will go bank and check something and come up and teach them the word. Let me see. I copy here.
Okay.
So tell them they don't have this page, okay? This is kind of like quiz time.
So they can read on the screen.
Yeah.
Okay.
They can read on the screen. They can have only the quiz.
Sure.
Then let me see. So it's a break time, so I'll get a break. Then if I take a look, the folder. Did I have this class last time? It was Friday. That's true. I think that we have to organize the file we did before.
The files?
Yeah, there are too many files that we scanned.
I started labeling some of them last class.
And tell them, come back in 5:05.
Okay.
No, 8:05.
8:05. Hello, hello. Hello, hello. Hello, hello. Hello, hello. Hello, 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 hello. Hello, 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 hello. Hello, hello. Hello, hello. Who's here? G5. Crystal, Isabella, Sanjay, Jinhong. 4 people? Is that correct? What's up, what's up? Pa pa pa. Pa ra pa pa. Pa ra pa pa. Everyone back? Are you back? Hi, hi. Hi. Hi, Sanjay, and hi, Crystal. Hello, Jinhong. And Isabella says no. No, Isabella is not back. Okay, Isabella, tell me when you're back, and then we can start. Just let me know. We'll wait for you to come back. Sanjay said haircut. You got a haircut, Sanjay? Sanjay got a haircut? Isabella says, just kidding. Just kidding about what? Just kidding that you are not back. So you are back, Because you typed that, so obviously you're back. Of course, I know you're joking. How's everyone doing? Having a good week? Happy Tuesday. You have a good weekend? Everyone good? Everyone good? Everyone good? Maybe. Alright, we're going to be doing some reading together. Let me try to find it. Alright, so let me make this window fit. I come back from watching Mao Mao, Heroes of Pure Heart Valley. I've never heard of that, Jinhong. What is that? Is it a movie? What is it? Mao Mao, Heroes of Pure Heart Valley. There's like this black cat-like thing wearing a red cape with a sword. There's like this blue one. It's kind of short with some ears. Like this big polar bear with an eye patch. Don't know what it is. Is it a show or a movie? Oh, it's a show. Oh. Okay. Sounds cool. Good. Alright, we're going to do some reading. We're going to do some question answering on some things that you haven't done yet in a book that you don't have. Okay, so I will show you on your screen. I'll show you the things that we're going to do. I will explain it and then we'll do it together. Alright? Okay, so here. Critical reading. Sentence completions. Okay? Or what color should I use? What color should I use? Blue. That's already blue. This blue? Or this blue? Or this blue? Or this blue? We have 4 different blues. See, blue, B, what is B color? Does that mean yellow, Sanjay? Is yellow a B color? This is B color. Crystal says purple. Purple color. Sanjay says Lu. I don't know what Lu is. Alright, so I'll go in order. Jinhong said first. Jinhong said blue first. I use this blue. Alright. Sentence completions, and then I'll do purple, and then I'll do blue again for Sanjay. You don't have this book. You don't have this book. You don't have this book. Okay? Okay. So, we're going to answer some questions here. We're going to think about the sentence's main idea. We're going to try to pick which word fits best in the blank. Okay? Which word fits best in the blank? Okay, we have to choose that. Alright? The way we do that is by looking at the sentence, trying to understand the sentence. What is the main idea of the sentence? What is the sentence all about? And then we look for comparison or contrast markers, right? We look for things to try to understand how are the ideas connected, okay? So words like although, even though, and despite can help us pick which words we should use, right? Using context. I talked to you about this last week, I think. I talked to you about this understanding vocabulary words based on their context. This is a very similar idea. We read the sentence and try to understand the situation here. Understand the situation, what it is, and then we try to use the sentence to understand how the ideas are connected so we can pick an answer. Alright? Now, should we start with an example one? An example one that's easy. Here's an example. Let me type it. Let me type an example for you. Okay, I wrote a sentence about Jinhong. Who can tell me, what do you think discombobulation means? Who can give me an answer? What do you think discombobulation means? An answer? Someone send me an answer, please. Jinhong gives me, this is what discombobulation means. Discombobulation means this angry face. This is discombobulation. That's not what discombobulation means. What do you think discombobulation means? Despite his discombobulation due to the complexity of the problem, Jinhong was able to focus and find a solution in the end. Here's an example. We say contrast markers. Despite is a contrast marker. Despite shows us that we're going to have opposites. Just like this. Despite, even though he had discombobulation, despite his discombobulation, just from the complexity of the problem, so here we have a comparison understanding. This must somehow be connected to the complexity, and then here on the other side, we have our contrast. This must be different. Jinhong was able to focus and find a solution. Discombobulation must somehow be the opposite of focus and find a solution, right? It must somehow be the opposite of focus and finding a solution. Yes, good answer, Jinhong. It is confusion. Discombobulation means confusion. He's confused, we see, because of the complexity of the problem. The good choice, right? Complex things can make you confused. We also see opposites here, able to focus and find a solution, opposite of conclusion, or opposite of confusion, right? So let's look at this example here. Although doctors tried their best to create an blank operating facility in the war-damaged hospital, they found it impossible to sterilize all the equipment properly. Okay? You might not know some of these words. Operating facility is the place where they do surgery in a hospital. The room where they do surgery is called the operating facility. Okay? Now let's talk about some of these words. You know unfortunate. You know appropriate. Antiseptic means like clean. Antiseptic means clean. Elective means you get to choose it. And actual means that it's real. You know that. Elective, chosen. Antiseptic, clean. Unfortunate, not good. Appropriate is like matching. Okay? In the war-damaged hospital, they found it impossible to sterilize. You know sterilize? Sterilize is to kill the bacteria. Kill the bacteria on something is sterilize. Okay? So, let's try to solve this question then. Although doctors tried their best to create an operating facility in the war-damaged hospital, they found it impossible to sterilize all of the equipment properly. So we have some opposites here. We have opposite here. Okay? Can you find it? Okay. Impossible to clean has to be the opposite of whatever word goes there. Does that make sense? This has to be opposite of impossible to clean. Impossible to clean. What is the opposite of impossible to clean? What should be here? Which one here should be the opposite of impossible? Impossible to kill all the bacteria. What is the opposite of impossible to kill all of the bacteria? Who can tell me? I want to see a good answer. Or any answer. Jinhong's got an answer. Anybody else have an answer? Alright, remember antiseptic? This means to kill the bacteria. Remember that's what I said? Or they're the same. Sterilize and antiseptic are kind of the same. They both mean to clean. Clean or kill bacteria. Same thing, okay? Sterilize and antiseptic are kind of the same. So, we can see the opposite here. Impossible to clean. If it's impossible to clean, that's the opposite of antiseptic, right? Impossible to clean, then you can't kill the bacteria. It can't be clean if it's impossible to sterilize. Okay? We can see, we look for this opposite here, and then we look to make our opposite. Okay, we use the contrast marker to find the opposite. Let's use another example. I think that's the hardest one. This next one's easier. Okay. This next one's easier. The holiday party, I'm going to switch to purple because that's what Crystal picked. The holiday party was a, even though many guests, because of the treacherous driving conditions. What is our correct answer? The holiday party was a what? Even though many guests, what? Because of their treacherous driving conditions. Which one makes sense? Let's see some answers. Let's see some answers. Sanjay has an answer. Does anyone else have an answer? Right? The holiday party was a something, even though many guessed something. We can notice here, this here, even though this is our contrast right here. We know that this is going to be the opposite of this, right? Something, even though something. These have to be opposites, okay? The holiday party was a disaster, even though many guests appeared because of the treacherous driving conditions. Well, does this make sense? Appeared because of the treacherous driving conditions? That doesn't make sense. Let's look at this one. The holiday party was a wonder, even though many guests enjoyed themselves because of the treacherous driving conditions. Does that make sense? It was a wonder even though they enjoyed themselves? No, because those are not opposites, they're the same. Okay? It also doesn't make sense that the treacherous driving conditions, the dangerous driving conditions, would make people have more fun. How about C? The holiday party was a success, even though many guests arrived late because of the treacherous driving conditions. Well, now we kind of have opposites, right? Success is a good thing, opposite of arriving late. You would think these are opposites, so it makes sense with the even though, right? The treacherous driving conditions could make people arrive late too. So that one makes sense. Let's look at D. The holiday party was a failure, even though many guests were delayed because of the treacherous driving conditions. That does not make sense because failure and being delayed are not opposites. They don't go in contrast. They're not against each other, so not that one. The holiday party was a fiasco, meaning a problem, even though many guests returned because of the treacherous driving conditions. This one doesn't make sense either. It doesn't make sense that they would return because of the treacherous driving conditions. Doesn't make sense. So our answer, Sanjay is correct, our answer is C. The holiday party was a success, right? That's positive. Even though many guests arrived late, negative, because of the treacherous driving conditions, right? We can see how that works. Because this is even though, they have to be like opposites. They have to contrast each other. Okay? Alright, we have one more here. Despite the some kind of efforts of international organizations, over 1 billion people around the world lack access to something, sources of drinking water. Okay? Despite the what kind of efforts of international organizations? Despite the some kind of efforts of international organizations. So despite, remember, are opposite. where I wrote in my example, despite. So these have to be opposites, remember? This has to be the opposite of this. Something here, something here. Have to be opposites. Alright, think of your answer. Try to pick your answer. Try to pick your answer. Let's try to see what's good. Remember, this part has to be opposite with this part. Lack is a negative word, right? Lack reverses something. Lack means you don't have. So kind of like math, a minus of a minus is a positive. So actually these are both going to be like good things or both bad things, right? It has to match because lack here is the opposite. I want to see everybody answer. Everybody has to answer this. Sanjay and Jinhong answered the first one. Sanjay is the only one who answered the last one. I want to see everybody's answers here. Try the different ones. Try each pairing. Read the sentence out loud with each pairing and see which one makes sense. Alright, everybody here says E. Okay, E. Despite the best efforts of international organizations, right? So positive, despite the best efforts, the hard efforts of international organizations, over 1 billion people around the world lack access to reliable sources of drinking water, right? Reliable sources of drinking water is a good thing. Best efforts is a good thing. A lack of reliable source of drinking water is a bad thing. So this is right, positive, and here this is negative, so it balances, right? We have this contrast despite this positive thing, opposite of this negative thing, lacking access to drinking water, right? Not having somewhere where they can get water all the time to drink. Okay? All right. Let's see. Oh, we have a lot of pages here. All right. So here we're completing and we're looking for comparison, right? Similar ideas, things that have the same kind of ideas. Let's look at this first one. Just as football fans enthusiastically anticipate, means like look forward with excitement, look forward to the Super Bowl. Soccer fans await the World Cup. Okay? So just as means these are going to be the same. So this is going to be the same as this. Okay, so we have to look for something that is similar. similar to enthusiastically anticipate. Which word will be similar? I want to see everyone's answer, not just Sanjay. Everybody answer. I expect everybody to answer every question. I'm not going to continue until everybody answers. Everybody has to answer the question. It's hard for them.
It's hard for them?
A lot of the vocabulary is hard. Things like that. Yeah.
So there are 3 questions, right?
Well, we did the first page. Do you want me to? I started the second page. I heard you on the phone.
Okay, if you just finish the second page, just go. Okay, finish it.
Okay.
Even it takes more time to do that. It's about compare and contrast. What is it?
Yeah, so this one's compare. The second one.
Okay.
Alright, so everyone picked C. Everyone picked eagerly. Right? Eagerly is like excitedly. We can see here just as mean it's going to be the same. Enthusiastically anticipate has to be the same as eagerly await. Is that true? Eagerly await is the same as enthusiastically anticipate? Yes, they are the same. Eagerly await and enthusiastically anticipate both mean be excited and look forward to, right? Alright, let's go on to the next one. During the 19th century, the Industrial Revolution had some kind of effect on the workplace. Similarly, so in the same way, the Information Revolution had a significant on today's workplace. Okay, so it had a something effect, had a significant something. Okay, so this has to be the same as this somehow. They have to be similar. Okay, so find which pairing makes this similar to this. Okay, we can talk about some of these words. Like simple, easy. Development means growing. Profound means very big and strong. Impact is how something changes something. Temporary means for a short time. Impression is how you make someone feel. Negative, you know, negative. Reduction means to go down. Permanent is the opposite of temporary. It means last forever. And statement is like to say something. Alright, everyone says B, profound and impact. The Industrial Revolution had a profound effect, a big effect on the workplace. And the same way, we had a significant something, a significant impact on today's workplace, right? Profound effect and significant impact are the same. Class ends at around 9 o'clock. Okay. Alright, number 3. Wearing a helmet is something when riding a bicycle. Likewise, using a is a basic protective measure when traveling by car. Okay, so we have to think here. What pairing makes these two the same? What makes these two things the same? Alright, we've got E. Alright, wearing a helmet is essential when wearing a bicycle. Likewise, using a seat belt is a basic protective measure when traveling by car. Yes, exactly. Those are the same idea here. Whereas likewise shows us that they're the same. Okay, so be careful here. And you guys did much better on the comparison. It means that the same is a little bit easier for you guys than maybe the contrast. Okay, so make sure you pay attention to this. Also look for these kinds of contrasts in sentences so you can see how things are opposite. Alright? Alright, so I'm going to hand you back over to Michelle, teacher. She's going to finish up your class. Alright? You're better on the comparisons, the contrast one is
Contrast is more harder than comparison.
Their examples might have been very hard too, I think.
Okay, guys. Whoa, this is hard, right? All right. So now I will explain what we are doing tomorrow. Understand? And I'm here to give you the homework, actually. The thing we do tomorrow is a non-fiction day, okay? Everybody, tomorrow is... Right? Tomorrow is Google Meet Day. Okay, tomorrow is Google Meet Day. Understand? So tomorrow, right? You're going to see, teachers, and we can see you guys together too do a non-fiction day, okay? So tomorrow is a non-fiction reading day, okay? Non-fiction reading day. So I'll show you the example. Oh, not this one. Okay, the thing we do tomorrow is this one, okay? NG2, page number 183 to 188. 188. Do you understand? Tomorrow is a non-fiction reading day, so we are going to do NG2 page 183 to 188. Understand? So my homework is RUF, right? NG, RUFNG page 183 to 188. Do you understand? So write the homework down. Write the homework down, please. So we are going to read aloud the paragraph by paragraph, okay? Then, we will, fix some of your pronunciation and also check the vocabulary and, understanding of the story, then they answer the question too. So, all right, you have to practice, read aloud these pages too, understand? But the one thing is clear is do not answer the question. Do not answer the questions before, okay? Do you understand? Only RUF, right? Only RUF. Then, if you answer the question, then we cannot do the work properly, okay? We cannot check yours comprehension, actually, correctly. So please do not answer the question before, just finish your RUF. Do you understand? So on Wednesday, tomorrow is a Wednesday, right? Tomorrow is a Wednesday, so tomorrow is a what? NG day, okay? Tomorrow is a NG day, okay? We will read about the dark descent, right? The people who go down to the deep cave and explore what is there, then what happened, right? Then this is the map, the long way down, the route cavers took exploring Curubera, okay? This is the one deep cave in other country. What I remember is that this cave located around the Russia. Okay, I think it's Russia, right? So, it's very, very deep. So, you're going to read carefully, then finish the RUF. That's my homework, okay? Understand? Do you get it, everybody? This is the tomorrow's homework. Okay, everybody answer, please. Do you get it? Okay, Jinong said okay. Then Crystal, Sanjay, Isabella, please answer me. Sanjay, Isabella, and Crystal. Okay, Sanjay, okay. Crystal and Isabella, please answer me. Okay, Isabella, yes, okie dokie. All right, Crystal, okie dokie. Then everybody, did you do the research homework about the two similar things in animal? Let's talk about your research homework. Let's talk about your research homework. Let's talk about your research homework. Okay, your research homework is, right, find two two similar things or animals or what object? I mean object, okay? So did you get any ideas? Oh, Sanjay said dog and cat. But Sanjay, okay, dogs and cats actually, they don't look really similar. I mean that we have to find a really similar thing which we get confused really. But dogs and cats are different kinds of animals. So that's not appropriate. Sorry, not appropriate. Okay, would you change the topic, Sanjay? Would you change the topic, Sanjay, please? Dog and cat, no, not dog and cat. Dog and cat look too different, right? So it is not appropriate for our topic. Jinong said turtles and tortoises. Okay, they look very similar, so people get confused which is which. It's okay, Jinong, all right? Jinong's topic. Jinong's topic is okay. Jinong's topic is okay. Then Isabella and Crystal. Crystal? Isabella? What's your topic? Oh. Okay, Isabella said, alright. Cherry blossom and what's mewa? I don't know in English name. What about Crystal? They look pretty much same. Crystal? Crystal? Hello, Crystal? Did you get any idea about your comparison? Crystal, hey! Hey, Crystal! Hey, Crystal? Okay, what is your topic for your comparison? Okay, everybody. Sanjay, alright? Dogs and cats cannot be comparison, understand? Comparison and contrast is not really proper. Find a more, two objects are more similar, okay? So everybody bring your research work next time, then we are going to have really writing homework. Do you understand? Right? Okay, it's time to say goodbye, everybody. Goodbye. Right? Goodbye. And see you on Google Meet tomorrow. Okay? See you on Google Meet tomorrow. Okay, bye guys. Bye. Bye-bye. Okay, Jinong, bye. Then Isabella, bye. And Sanjay, bye. Goodbye, guys. Okay, see you tomorrow on Google Meet tomorrow. Okay, see you tomorrow. Bye, guys. Bye. Okay. So now I have to go there. Here.
Yes, that one.